Bodega Boys.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I speak to you for a second? I don't want to be a bother. Like, I'm usually not this type of guy, but like, you know, I don't usually get starstruck. But are you Yesenia? Are you the Yesenia from Bodega Boys podcast? Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got my OnlyFans. Like I told y'all last week, I got my OnlyFans on deck. I'm over here at Target just getting, you know, my essentials, like my baby wipes and shit like that. So, like, you know, what do you want? You want, like, a selfie, like an autograph or some shit like that? Like, what you want to do?
Well, nah, actually, I was thinking, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's Cyber Monday and shit like that. So, like, you know, I'm trying to cyber on a Monday. So, can you give me, like, you know, like a little discount code or whatever for your OnlyFans? Like, you know, like Patalito 5, you know what I'm saying? I get 75% off or something like that, you know? Hook me up, bro. Come on. Like, my guts hurt, bro. I Julio doesn't pick up the phone. Like, my only recourse is fucking beating my meat until it's fucking bleeding like a brush hole.
My nigga, what the fuck is he talking about, bro? You dead ass right now? You dead ass asking me for a discount on my fucking OnlyFans, stupid? Yo, matter of fact, yo, you wild beside your goodness, my nigga, because you asking me for a discount on my OnlyFans. That's you trying to take money out of my pocket. That's how I feed my children's, stupid.
You got kids, bro?
Don't worry about that, nigga. I ain't giving you no motherfucking discount on my OnlyFans. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get out of my face, nigga. I gotta go get my throat pillows. Excuse me, stupid. Yo, by the way, I'm doing promotion right now, so get the fuck out of my way. Excuse me, get out of my way. Excuse me, I'm doing the Instagram selfie. Bad at that. Yo, what's up? Yo, it's your girl Yesenia, the sexiest phlebotomist in the world, motherfucker. And I'm doing the motherfucking drop for episode 181 of the most dangerous podcast in America, stupid. Bodega Boys. Do the motherfucking drop. Michael, if you touch my ass, I swear to God, I'm gonna call the cops.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. It's just so big and juicy. Like, you know, I want to slap your big butt cheeks. I'm sorry. Do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 181 of the world's most dangerous podcast in the world. Are we the most dangerous? We're not the most dangerous. We're the most PC, clean, and Christian-based podcast. We are not open on Sunday.
Yeah, no.
Not because of any religious reasons. Just because we're lazy and shit. Niggas be mad high. Episode 181. Remember, hey, it is your boy, Uncle Victor. With the hot. He got the hot.
Oh,
he
shit.
got the actual pot. He's got the iPizzy, as the kids call it. You know what it is. Now we on deck. We was about to not have it, and you kids wouldn't be able to have your little dirty sound effects.
That's right.
That
Pay
you
homage.
beat your little meats to. But now we back. Sponsored by Cash App. Also 181. Shout out to IS 181. Pablo Casal's IS 181. That's where I went with Chris Hayes and Mike Geronimo and Megan Thee Stallion. We all went to school together, and she got left back a couple of times. So, you know, that's why she's just coming out now. But, you know,
she's an audio major.
How you had a major in junior high?
I was like, damn, y'all was wild events.
Rough.
I was like, damn.
All right, happy Thanksgiving to all of y'all. We don't mean that in a way that removes marginalized people and embraces the genocide.
Yeah.
But for those of y'all niggas who just like to eat mac and cheese and eat some turkey and see your family for one time of the year,
you know what I'm saying?
While they judge you for either not having kids or having a member of your affection for the same gender, and they look down at you like tisk 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 tisk. But meanwhile, I'm just there with like a plate of curry goat. Like, yo, do we even make curry goat on Thanksgiving? I don't know, but fuck it, shit's lit. All right. I'll get on my limb man up and go, yo, let love be love, bro.
No, bro, love is love.
Like, he paid for the cranberry sauce.
Love is love.
So hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. You know, now you got 4 weeks to enjoy your Thanksgiving leftovers. You know, don't listen to when people say you gotta throw them out.
Nah.
You know that turkey good for
it's good.
Turkey from Thanksgiving is good until at least 3 Kings Day.
Listen, let me tell you something. If the meat is shiny, all you gotta do is just slice off the little shiny part.
The shiny part, yeah.
That's it.
All the shiny part is like it's like
It's like a coat.
protective juice over it.
It's like a natural. You know how shit be like, yo, no preservatives.
Yeah,
that's like a natural preservative for the turkey. You feel me? So you just throw that on a slab of bread. Pow. You know what I'm saying?
And think about it. Think how good blue cheese is. And what was blue cheese? Just a little fungus on cheese.
You know what I'm saying?
So why you gonna throw out other food because they have fungus on it?
Let me tell you something.
Why you anti-fungus?
Open your third eye. Why the Swiss cheese got holes in it? Because bacteria eat the holes in the cheese. Oh, you didn't even know that.
Actually, that's not correct at all.
It is.
That's not.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
Open your third eye.
No, Swiss cheese has holes in it because the government didn't want to count Swiss cheese singles as actual people. So they manifested holes in it so that it's less than cheese. It's the 3/5 cheese
Open your
assignment.
third eye.
Open your third eye,
You know what I'm
God.
saying?
Open, see how big cheese run things.
You know what I'm
What's the
saying?
most popping cheese? Huh? Ricotta, mozzarella. Why? What color are they? I said too much.
To this day.
You ever seen black cheese? Huh?
Huh?
You never seen black cheese? Got laughing cow cheese.
Remember when they did the Black Whopper at Burger King? How long did that last?
Not long, because
You know what I'm saying?
It was dangerous. It had a lot of food coloring. But niggas eating it like niggas dying right away. The doctor was like, "This shit is 90% food coloring. Who made this? This is terrible."
Yo, whose idea? Yo, I'm convinced that R&D at every fast food restaurant chain is just 10 high niggas in a room.
Meanwhile,
thinking
at Crown
about
Fried Chicken, he's laughing like R&D. What is that, Raik and Daish? Because they run this bitch, okay? And we gonna keep that chicken going, nigga. Ain't adding nothing new to the menu.
The R&D is the niggas that roll up at like 2 a.m. like, yo, let me get a motherfucking...
Let me get the deep fry the potato salad with a crusted cheese on it and then stuff it inside inside a chicken wing, but then put the chicken wing inside a slice of pizza.
Bang, you know what I'm saying? Then put all that shit in the calzone. Y'all got calzones? Nah? Make one.
And then when you
with hamburger buns.
You do the wild intricate order, when it's time to pay, they're like, $7.99.
Yo, for real.
Hey, Poppy, what free soda you want? You'd be like, oh, nice, a free soda.
Oh my God.
Like, wow. I'll have a Mr. Pibbs. Yeah.
Mr. Pibbs. It'd be the wax your laugh. You'd be like, all right, fuck it. Let me get a ginger ale. Fuck it.
Yeah. Well, okay, I'll take an old time lemonade. And if you're ever like, nah, I'm good on a soda, they be like, oh, really? Oh, you too good for a soda?
Oh, where?
Wow.
Okay, that's how you living? Somebody's healthy.
They say something to somebody behind the counter and they be like, they look outside like, put you on a list.
This nigga think he healthy, Liz.
This nigga drinking water.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
This nigga want to live to be 90.
How dare you?
Actually, living to be 90 is whack.
I mean, it depends if you're rich. If you're rich, and you just got like mad, well,
no, because when you're old, what you gonna listen? You're gonna be old.
How old is Hugh Hefner when he died?
Hugh Hefner died?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, nigga been dead.
When?
I don't know. Months? Years? A year. I want to say a year. This is the anniversary of Hugh Hefner perishing, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Rest in peace to the guy, Hugh Hefner.
You know what I'm saying?
Been dead 2 years now.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga had to smoking jacket on decky.
What if Hugh Hefner gets to heaven and is like, yo, this shit is whack, my nigga.
Yo, I can't get no double toppy up here?
He's like, yo, this shit. Nigga.
Are you dead ass? Nigga pull up on guy like, yo, son, you seen how I was living down there, B? The fuck?
You think God has no security in heaven?
Guy got like club security, just mad big motherfuckers with black t-shirts.
Yo,
on,
big
like,
man, get off that cloud.
Yo, big man,
can't enter the pearly gates. I'm sorry.
Nah, you can't. Nah.
Yo, big man, no halos.
Yo, big man.
Yo, big man. Where you going with the wings? Where you going with the wings? Come on.
Wing check, my nigga. Wing check.
Come on.
Wing check. $3. Wing check.
Don't even.
Stop playing.
Don't even.
Yo, my man.
Yo, fam, look. Capacity,
I'm here all night.
The capacity is 144,000. All right, it's not 144,001. Where you going? Huh?
You feel me?
You done?
Yo, but they just came out. 10 people just came out. 10 people just came out.
Big man, save it for the rapture.
Yo, my
save
man.
It for the rapture.
10 people just came out. You said 14,001.
Save it for the rapture. That was a plane crash.
Wow. So you gonna put the plane crash niggas in front of me?
All right, we gotta plane crash niggas.
You get VIP if you get like shot by police or some shit. Like,
Relax.
if you die in a mega foul way, like you get VIP status and shit. Like, you get your own table. Shorties come out with like water with sparklers.
So basically, in your head, heaven is just umbrella.
Basically.
They're like, here's your halo and here's your hookah coil.
There you go, my brother. Yo, you don't even gotta flip it. It's
Imagine
eternal.
you get to heaven and Abraham got mad bitches. He smoke a hookah.
Yo,
You gonna feel some kind of way.
I'll be like, yo, fam, this is how you living.
He's like, yeah, what's up, nigga?
Yeah, nigga,
What's
I've
up?
been doing this. What's up?
Been doing this for 14 millennia. But that'd be weird. What about the people who died in the Black Plague from just like whooping cough and shit? Do they go to heaven? They go to hell? The HR department, like heaven, that shit. You like, what if you gotta like?
That's just like probably the DMV.
Yeah,
It's
what
just
if that
mad
shit is like-
disgruntled motherfuckers like
Remember in Beetlejuice how they had an office you had to wait and prove your case? What if you gotta like prove your case to get to heaven and shit?
excuse me,
They got infographics.
you get to the front of the line. Did you take a number?
Nah, I just been waiting here for like 3 years.
Well, it says a sign up that says take a number and wait for your number to be called. I don't know why you up here right now. I did not call your number.
Yo, you serious? Because that guy right there is clearly from 1985.
Well,
so
guess what?
If he hasn't been seen yet, how long is it gonna take me?
Let me ask you a question. Do I have a name tag with my ID and everything on it? That says I work here in a heaven admissions department? I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Okay.
I answer that for you.
Okay.
Do you have one?
I don't.
No, you don't. So then what I need you to do, boo-boo, is go sit your ass down on that comfy little cloud right there and go get you a number.
Wow.
And then when I call that number or you see the number on the monitor, then you approach me. Until then, put your little headphones back on. Go listen to your little whatever the fuck you was listening to.
Can I
Tell
just
what you
ask?
want
Can I
or
just ask
whatever.
how long the wait is generally? Because
Shit. Let me check. I don't fucking know. Go sit down. Thank you. Next. Number 79. 79.
I'm 18,000.
79. Well, oh well.
Nigga.
Oh well. You should have got here when we opened. That's not my problem. I'm here on time every day. You should be too.
Fuck this. I'm going to hell.
Number 89.
You know what?
Number 89. Take this nigga to hell. He over here. He's tripping.
Oh, now I'm going for
Security.
free. Stab you up. I'm next, bitch. You get to heaven Satan's like, you get to hell Satan's like, couldn't wait, huh? Hate to see it.
Yeah, it's it.
It's it.
It's just like 100 niggas lined up like, yo, motherfuckers, yo, she said 78.
Yo.
Motherfucker, I'm 18,000.
Hell has clear from the TSA. Niggas like, yo, you don't gotta take your shoes off.
Yeah,
Niggas
you
like,
good, yo.
He's like, yeah, ding. Oh, you definitely belong here. I'm like, fuck. He's like, welcome to hell. We've made a highlight reel of all the fucked up things you did to deserve here. I'm like, you be depressed, but you be like, oh, that shit was lit though.
Oh, yo, that shit was wild. Yo,
Oh, shit.
I forgot about that.
Like, say you come behind you and watch it like, oh, you was Liddy too titty, my nigga. Yo.
Shit, this nigga was going in.
Yo, Hitler, come look at this shit.
Yo.
Is that problematic? Because Hitler would be in hell, right?
Oh, yeah, of course.
If you get to heaven and Hitler, and he's just like some loophole, he's like, yeah, I recounted on my deathbed. You be tight. They could just take the Hitler and be like,
Man.
and you can't. You probably can't.
You up here.
You know, you can't get no Tims in heaven. Tims would fuck up the clouds. You live in clouds, right? I don't know.
Yeah. No, you do. And then you just leave mad footprints all over the place. The God is just like, yo, my man, can you take your shoes off before you come in my crib?
What if heaven is Guyanese and you gotta take your shoes off when you enter?
Yeah, and you can't sit on the mattress with your clothes on.
You wear your earth clothes?
It's not disrespectful. Niggas throw a family party in heaven, throw all the coats on your bed.
Oh, woo. Shout out to everyone religious listening to this. Like, what the fuck are they talking about? You'll hear more when we start that mega church.
Get ready.
The only church where we vote by the rules, by like crowd participation. I'll be like, how y'all feel about murder? Everyone clap, clap if you against murder. Niggas like, clap if you want to kill niggas. Niggas like,
Yeah.
I was like, all right, murder is not illegal. Next thing, how do you feel about having multiple? Oh, Mero, put your hands down. Didn't finish. Didn't finish asking the question, sir. Or my Dominicans, please put their hands down. Or my Dominicans, how do you feel about having one wife?
Who?
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
How many Jamaicans would love to have more than one family? Oh man! Oh, I love this church.
Oh my God! It's
I'm
so
gonna
much
talk about
fun.
like Hillsong and shit. Like we're gonna start telling niggas to come to it. I'm like, but listen, they're not gonna let you in. They're like, Ooh, Brother Martinez, you know the rules.
Yeah.
Have to wear fire kicks.
Yeah.
Sorry, what
the
are
drip
those?
is drip is weak.
Are those general release?
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
No, sorry, Ken.
You can go listen to it in the trailer out in the parking lot.
There's monitors.
Next time, Gucci or Supreme or something.
Please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry. Go ahead. Nigga do a sermon and then she just hit the niggas with the like, yo,
There was like,
Jesus Christ.
Jesus wore robes. Why didn't he wear Givenchy? Huh? Can your Messiah not have drip? Huh? He dripped with the blood of Christ, but I drip with 60% off from Bloomingdale's. Okay? Look at this sweater. I saved $200 on it. The way Jesus saved the masses.
You know the fucking vibes.
You know the fucking vibes. Everyone, become a funnel. Become a funnel and get the vibes.
That's when the blessings come in. You know the fucking vibes.
You know the fuck. That's how we end the prayer. And in God's name, we pray, Amen.
You know the fucking vibes.
You know the fucking vibes, Lord. Everyone's like, wow. So they went from being porno boys to sacrilegious. We're the sacrilegious sucio boys.
Yo, I cannot. Like,
We're sacrilegious and scatolicious. Yeah.
I can't believe motherfuckers really be like, yo, these are the arbiters of PC culture.
Well, like one person said that. Yeah. So we're just going to run with it.
All
But,
right,
you know,
cool. Shout out to y'all.
this shit is... But you know what the thing is? This is so blatantly over the top that in 10 years when it's discovered, everyone's going to be like, wow, they were doing high-level satire.
Pow.
Yeah. And then 20 years from that, some girl at NYU was going to write a paper taking us down that we're going to be erased from culture forever.
Oh, yeah.
She's going to be like, we were anti-black, we were misogynistic. We hated Justin, we hated Hasan. We didn't like Diane. We didn't like Victoria. It's going to come out that we had like 6 writers for every episode of the podcast and shit. Like, turns out we're not even from the Bronx. They're going to find out I was from Hartford, Connecticut.
Oh, shit. Niggas
I went to boarding school.
Yo, niggas went to Dartmouth together and shit. They made a plan. Like,
They're like, Desus and Mero are actually Chad and Justin, and they work together at UCB. We were like, yeah, we planned the Bronx characters for quite some time. I remember I saw a video. It was Run DMC.
Yeah.
It was on YouTube, and I said, hey, we could do that.
Yeah. And at first it was funny because I didn't even know they were Run DMC. I called them Run Dimmick. And and you know, being from Brooklyn as they are, I was just like, wow, you know, we got something here.
I just remember those days of listening to rap when my mother would drop me off at school, and I'd be like, this is so cool.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
It's
Okay, Mom,
amazing.
I'll see you at lacrosse.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Yo.
They're like,
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
turns out Heather was like a paid actor.
Yo,
Those kids are all midgets. They're like, yeah, bro.
Yeah,
I played Mero Jr. for 4 seasons.
You know what I'm saying, bro? I mean, why do you think I look the same size in every fucking picture, bro?
So
Come on.
listen, I mean, it was good union benefits, and it looked great. We were SAG.
It was cool.
You know, it was cool.
It was fun, you know what
I
I
liked
mean?
working with Joel. He was a nice guy. A bit of a drug problem with the weed, but you know, he would share, so it wasn't that bad.
He was a good guy, you know. You know, had a lot of fun playing basketball and things like that, you know.
It was pretty devastating when Heather left for another show, but you know, the bags were coming in.
Yeah,
They replaced her with Julia Roberts, but it wasn't the same.
Yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't at all. You know. It was like when they're doing, you know,
Yeah, I don't even want to say it.
I don't, you know, it's just things happen, you know. But it was a good time.
It was a good time.
It was a good time for
I
television.
always remember, you know, I love going to the house. It's at the cul-de-sac, all the union guys.
Yeah.
You know, you wake up and Sal would mic you up, you know, have a couple of beers when you finish production.
Oh, man.
You know?
It was a great time. It's a great time.
My teacher, you know, shout out to her. You know, she was a struggling actress. It was good to get her on the payroll.
Yeah, it was
so,
amazing.
you know,
She had
we
a good
miss it,
arc.
you know. Now we get those syndication checks now. So it's pretty sweet. So, you know.
Well, this is how you're doing good, you know. I mean, got brunch with Aaron Carter later. Hopefully, nothing goes wrong.
It's a shame what happened to the kid Mero. You know, we put a lot of money on his books. Hopefully, he'll get out soon. But you know, it's not looking too good.
I mean, it is what it is. You know,
he beat Ben Shapiro to death in Palisades Mall. I mean, like, what do you want?
I mean,
he had it coming.
It was on video.
I was there. I was like, Dad, stop. And he was like, I was like, wait, are we speeding? Yeah. And it was like, you're not speeding. And I was like, all right, Mero, stop.
Stop, bro. Come on, what are you doing?
And then he called me the M word, and I was like, oh wow.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, so I let him do this
fall
thing.
from grace.
Yeah,
he's like BoJack Horseman, but with a lot more mangool. We'll be back with the Tello of Mero Jr.
Yo,
my real name's Augusto Ferdinand. I'm actually from Venezuela. I'm a classically trained actor.
It's Diego Luna's my kid and shit. Like, yo.
I was like, weren't you in like Children of Men? Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I was in that. I've been in a couple of good movies.
I did some things.
Yeah, but that's this is cool. You have to play a kid. I got a lot of Kyrie Jordans.
Yo, you have a little feet.
Little feet.
Little feet.
She got her little feet and her little pussy. That's an actual Jamaican song.
Somebody was in Act 3 last night. Yo, reopen Act 3. Bring back La Marina. Bring back Act 3.
Forget this small change. Give me big money.
Yeah. This is at my uncle's barbecue real quick. Just getting a plate of food while one of my aunts go, oh, you guys still use this cheap plates? And I'm like, here we go.
Oh, man.
And then my uncle was like, I bought 10,000 of these plates in 1988. Why would I buy new ones?
Huh?
Plates on the bottom say made with CFC. I'm like,
yo,
like, wow.
whoa.
I'm like, wow.
100% asbestos.
Put on this ventilator while you eat. I'm like,
yo, I gotta wear a hazmat suit in front of the grill.
for savings.
Oh, shit.
So we're in a new Cats movie. We play Cats. We play Bodega Cats.
Yeah, that's right.
It's weird because like we street harass a mouse and then we eat her.
That's hot.
Yo, we going, bitch? Come here.
Yeah, that's
come here, Ma.
That's the director's cut.
Yo, come here, Ma.
Yo, come here.
Yo, come here, Ma. Look at you. Look at you. You look like you. I just want to give you all the cheese you want, Ma.
Squeak. You want to squeak these cheeks?
Yeah, we'll squeak them cat eats. Yo. You know what I'm saying? I know your brother 5 will hear you out, bitch ass nigga. What's up?
Yeah, he's a bitch ass nigga.
Yo, come here.
Yo, cook it up.
Can I kiss you?
I mean, you know. Nigga, be back.
Got you. I ate her head. Yeah. How you feel? All you other mice. Nigga on the block. Like, yeah, stack it. Like, yo, no, there's mice gang over here.
Yo, fuck out of here.
MDP. Mice don't play.
Yeah, nigga, what's up?
Only mice with machetes and shit. Like,
man, like the nigga got missing eyeball.
Yeah,
She's like, yo, what's up? Yo, I don't give a fuck.
So the mice are like, kill my sister. Go ride.
Go ride out.
Nigga 5 got the gun. Like, nigga, kill my sister.
Oh, they think I'm pussy?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna see.
New show, Top Cat.
The Top Cat.
Where's my mice, pimp?
Top Cat.
Where's my cheese, meat?
The actual Top Cat comes through like, guys, what's going on here? Schnoikes.
Get out of here, Captain OG Remore.
I just makes like 6 Hanna-Barbera cartoons at once and shit.
He's the guy from Wacky Races?
Shout to Snagglepuss. Have us some Murgatroyd.
What was his deal?
I don't even know. Like
Snagglepuss. There was a lot of, in the 70s, 80s, they were just like, yo, here's some cats. These cats live together.
Yeah. And they only have a collar and a tie and no other clothes.
No other clothes.
That's their formal attire.
They going on a cat job interview.
Like, yo, what are you doing? They can go on LinkedIn.
Wow. Do you remember Sonia? Keith's girlfriend?
Oh.
She's kind of bad. Nah, this is the Cadillac cats. This cat, Cleo.
That's what I was thinking. Yes.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Yo.
Wow, relax. Relax, my guy. Relax. Wow. This explains so much. And then look at the cats. I think they're the Cadillac cats. I didn't realize it was spelled Cat-alac.
Yeah.
But look at your man. Short had the wild shorty.
Yeah.
Look how shorty was dressed. They was dressing like they was getting money.
Low key, that's a pimp. He's a pimp.
Wow.
He's dressed like a pimp. He has a Cadillac, and shorty's following him everywhere.
How come sometimes she had on clothes, but sometimes she was just butt ass naked? Damn, we saw that. We saw 9/11. We are fucked up as kids. Like, niggas really need to sit down and be like, yo. Think about it. We watched 9/11 and it was like, yep. 9/11 was like, yep, 3,000 people gone.
Bye.
They were like, all right, back to your regularly scheduled program. Like,
yo, let's watch baseball.
I was like, oh. They were like, yeah, we're going to show you the Wizard of Oz tonight. I'm like,
what the fuck?
They was like, oh yeah, but you know what we're gonna do for 4 straight days? We're just gonna keep showing you the image of the plane flying into the tower, over and over.
Yes.
Here's a different angle.
Oh, here's slow-mo.
Hey, yo, let's put a little reverb on it.
Yo, here's the Instagram sunglasses filter on the plane.
And it was like, you know what? We're gonna let the planes fly again. Okay, there you go. Done and done. Welcome to the new world. Can't smoke on planes.
Yo, and Giuliani was like, I'm a hero. I'm a hero. Look at me.
I saved New York. Now I'm gonna go home and fuck my cousin / wife.
Yo, you seen his son? His son fucking
his son is like
something,
liaison, $93,000 $93,000 a year liaison to the White House.
Bro.
Do you remember what his son did when he was getting sworn in?
He was like, fuck my dad, I hate my dad. Some shit like that?
I mean, later on he did that. But when Giuliani was doing the swearing in ceremony, you forget, the son was right next to him on the podium and was like doing wild hand gestures and doing like a fake speech. And everyone was like, oh, that's so charming. Because remember, everyone was on Giuliani's dick after that. That shit was wild rude. Yeah. Like, that was like, yo, get your kid under control.
I would have been like, yo, I'm smacking the shit out of you, man.
So like, he was like, it will be done and we'll get it done. And the son did that too. And the crowd was like, oh, he's so cute. Yeah. But then after Giuliani divorced his mother, he was like, I'm never, like, fuck my father. I don't talk to him. All this shit.
It's like, fuck you, nigga. He's like, you give me mad money and I cheat off crazy. I talk crazy to cops and all
And
that.
his daughter got arrested for shoplifting.
Hey.
At, what store was it? It's kind of... It wasn't Sephora, because... Nope. It was Sephora.
Wow.
Doink, doink. Lock her up. Lock her up. You respect Sephora.
Wow.
Wow.
Yo, you wildin',
She was
man.
caught on security camera, shoplifting 5 cosmetic items worth more than $100, including Aqua Cream, Dior Skin Flash Primer, Bliss Hydro Cream, a rollerball funnel, and a hairnet.
Oh, shit.
She was escorted out the store in handcuffs. There's nothing better when if you're walking into Sephora, H&M, Victoria's Secret or whatever, and the shoplifters is coming out. Because they be handcuffed, they be fighting, and you be looking at them like, couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Because I don't get caught.
That's the shit. I was like, oh, y'all niggas got caught? That means I'm about to wreck this shit.
I remember like going to Sephora with my ex, and I was just like taking shit. I'm just like, well, what is this? And she's like, it's a sponge. Why do you have it? I was like, I just put it in my pocket.
Yeah.
I was like, you want it? She was like, I can't even use that. I was like, oh, fuck. Shit. I don't know. So I was like, because your dumbass keeps using Sephora points, which are based exactly on how many dollars you spent. So I was trying to save you something, Mom. But you know what? Fine.
Ungrateful.
I'll be shoplifting. I'll be boofing Sephora items for you, Mom. You know, all right. You know what? How much it hurts to boof mascara?
You know what I'm saying?
That shit don't bend, Mom.
And they got mad weird shapes now, B. They're not aerodynamic at all. They're mad angular. You ever boof something angular? Shit hurt.
Damn, Giuliani's daughter went to Harvard University?
Yeah.
Wow.
They all did. That's a layup for them. They're like, yo, you going to Harvard, nigga? Like,
That's true.
Even
It's
Harvard is just like
Harvard's like, I guess.
Like, yo, yeah, go ahead, fuck it. Oh, your pop's in here? All right. Oh, he's famous?
Fine.
All right, fuck it.
That works.
You rich? All right. Yo, you gonna buy a building?
Sure, why not?
All right, fine.
I'm bored, but fine if you're offering one.
Go ahead. Yo, Jeff Bezos, buy the Knicks. I said already, do it. Buy the Knicks.
Jeff Bezos is like, fuck you. What would he do with the Knicks? That's just a problem he doesn't want.
I mean, he could just buy it and then not touch it.
No, I mean, because then it would be like us Knicks fans would turn on him if the Knicks are terrible. Like,
that's true.
What would you want? What do you gain from owning the Knicks? I mean, the idea of turning the Knicks around and being like
that guy.
Okay, that actually does appeal. As if I was rich, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because now you're like rich. You're the richest person on the planet. There's nothing else you could do. Mm-hmm. There's nothing else you can impress people with. What is the most impressive thing you could do? Is make the Knicks a championship
Actually,
team.
Jeff Bezos is no longer the richest person on the planet. Bill Gates is back in top, baby.
Oh, shit.
Back in top.
Oh, shit.
Yes,
man,
give it up for Bill Gates.
Yeah.
Bill Gates, who is a super mega colossal intellectual No, he created a software program and then used antitrust laws to force the software program on every computer that was sold, and therefore locking everyone into a technological monopoly. He became the richest person in the world.
Yeah.
So if so facto, he's actually not that smarter than the rest of us, but we have to suck his dick because he has more money than us. And that's how the world works.
That's right.
So
eat a shit sandwich.
Yeah. Look at this list of the richest people in the world. Wow, they all have one thing in common. They all white as fuck.
What?
All white guys. Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg.
Oh, wow.
Carlos Slim, Bernard Arnault. All right, now it's getting a little spicy. Larry Ellison,
yep.
Charles Koch. Michael Bloomberg, who has no business running for mayor, but he's running for mayor again. Go get a hobby. Get a Switch. Go play Call of Duty. Go play Fortnite.
And that's what I'm talking about. When dudes get to that level of richness, they're like, yo, what?
How can you be that bored?
I'm bored.
How can you have that much money to be that bored? Go to Mars.
Go to Mars.
Go to Mars. Go touch the bottom of the ocean. Go. I don't know. Go buy an island and make everyone do the Peter Buttigieg dance. Like, do something. Huh? President, right? Oh, I said mayor. Shit, if you're the richest person in the world, being mayor is the same as being president.
He can be mayor.
It don't even matter to you.
He's like, yo, I'm the first president mayor ever.
Like,
Stupid.
drop a rap album. You can do so many things. We need to do a movie where, in order to get Mike Bloomberg not to run for president, it's like Brewster's Millions, but it's Bloomberg's Billions, and we gotta get him to spend his money on dumb shit. I'll be like, yo, you gotta get a chopped cheese from Nepal.
Yo.
Yeah. I was like, you ever ate a chopped cheese on the top of Mount Everest? He's like, does everything involve a chopped cheese? I was like, yeah.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
You want to buy
I was like,
Newport?
you gotta hang with us in the Bronx. He's like, are we gonna go to the strip club like Anna Kendrick? I was like, yeah. We didn't think anything.
We're gonna throw $2 billion. We're just gonna Club W, throw $2 billion on stage and walk out.
We go
not even opening shit, just throw it in plastic wrap. Like, yo,
just crush like 4 girls. We could drink. It would take us 1 weekend, but we could drink all of. If we got enough homies and shit, and they order food, you got like your sisters. I got my sisters. We invited all the. We could use up all of Bloomberg's money in 1 weekend on City Island.
Oh, absolutely.
We go to Seafood City and shut that shit down.
Oh my!
And at the end, they be like, "Yo, who's paying for this?" And he be like, "I'm pop, baby. I don't got no more."
Hey, baby, I just love the game, baby. I love the hustle. A little bit.
How much is he worth totally? $54.1 billion. That's 900 Henny Coladas. We can make it happen.
God damn.
We can make that shit happen. They're like, you want crab legs? I want crab and lobster, nigga.
Oh,
you
shit.
See him like, huh? My billions.
He's like, oh, this is a kosher. He's the only nigga in there eating chicken tenders and shit. We all eat crab legs and shit. He's like,
you guys know I can't.
I can't.
I was like, come on.
Come on,
Bloomberg.
come on.
Go, Bloomberg. Go, Bloomberg. Do the dance.
Do the dance.
Do the dance. He does a little yachty. He's like,
nigga throws a shrimp in the air. He's like, I can't do it. I can't. My ancestors.
Come on, live a little. Little Bloomberg.
Yeah.
So how does Jeff Bezos feel? Because he had to like find out, and you think Bill Gates like sent him the wild DM like, hey, pussy. What's up, broke boy?
Hey, broke boy.
Hey, brokey.
Hey. Guess what?
Are you reading this with your broke ass? More money than you.
Here's a video clip of me on Ellen. I don't know what the fuck shit costs because I'm so fucking rich.
I'm so fucking rich. Suck my rich dick.
Yeah, that's right, you fucking piece of shit.
I'm on Amazon right now. You know what? It's taking too long. Might just buy the whole thing.
Yeah.
Bill Gates out.
Yeah.
Suck on that.
By the way, if you didn't have weak dick, maybe you'd have half your money left, you bozo.
Alexa, laugh at this nigga. If Bill Gates wants to say the N-word, you can say the word. The richest person in the world can say the N-word. I'm sorry, I didn't make the rules. This is just, there's no slur the richest person in the world can't say. What are you going to do? If Bill Gates right now came up to you and called you the N-word and then gave you $100.
Hard R or like, yo?
Hard R and then spit at you at the end of it.
$100?
$100.
I'm like, nah, we got scrap. Throw some more zeros on
Is there
that.
no one in this room that would take $100 from Bill Gates calling him the N-word? You know what? Fuck y'all. Y'all all sellouts.
I'm like, nigga, I give you the 100, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, we can't have that on film.
I'm like, hey, Bill, could you sign this?
It'll be worth more and shit because he signed it. So the shit on Steiner Sports.
No, what are you gonna like? How do you cancel Bill Gates?
You can't.
What are we gonna do? All switch to like a different operating system? Like, I don't even think people still use Microsoft Windows, but he's so rich it doesn't even matter. Like everyone's on Apple, and he's like, yo, but y'all were using Microsoft Windows when you was in school. Yeah. Remember that?
Spreadsheets, nigga?
Mm-hmm. Windows 95.
I did that.
95, the golden era of operating systems and hip hop, real hip hop.
Yo, Windows 95 was fire though. I didn't even find it.
It was. It had a lot of like problems, but it was a pretty solid architecture. Then they kind of lost their way with Windows ME, Windows
Vista
NT,
and all that shit.
Vista and all that shit. But then at that point, it was just like, nigga, y'all don't even care.
That was them trying to McAfee shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, stay in your lane. Stay in your boring Microsoft. We do office shit lane. Don't try to be cool and creative.
Don't try to be hip.
Yeah, like,
don't
yo,
try
we're
to be
creative.
smooth. Like,
yeah,
no.
Nah, dog. Nah.
Just be a nerd.
Just be a nerd, dog. Get your shit right.
Get your shit right.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Newegg.com, #ad.
Should we come out with a new? Should we come out with a
New operating system?
New operating system? Is the streets? Is that something? When was the last time in the when was the last time you was in the barber shop and the guy was like, "Yo, my nigga, I need a new operating system."
I need a.
Yo, my nigga, I ain't had nothing since OS 2.
Yo, straight up.
What's up?
Straight up. I'm about to fuck around and just do my thing on Linux. You feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Like, yo, Linux is a lot of work.
Yo,
Linux, I haven't fucked with it in 2019, but that shit is a lot of work.
You just been like,
Linux is. I'm like, hey, I want to use this. I want to use this. These wireless speakers. I was like,
whoo, you want to do what?
I was like, all right, here you gotta go. Please go to Barnes and Noble and pick up this book on assembly language. I was like, all right, now I need you to learn about IRQ inputs. All right, now you're using port 13, or you're gonna be scanning on port 80.
What?
You know
IRQ?
What? Oh, you know what? You could use it off the Bluetooth, but see, Linux, like you have to set up the Bluetooth. So I'm gonna need you to download this from the tree packages, and then I'm just gonna need you to decrypt this.
Okay, so
take
hold
and compile it. Now you're gonna have to put it back with the kernel.
Tell me, you got.
Now when you recompile the kernel,
okay,
you know what I'm saying? Are you using Red Hat? Are you using distro, or do you want to go over to maybe like FreeBSD?
I got a Black Hat. Can we go back to ICQ? Isn't that like a messaging service?
No, ICQ was cool. Now they use Signal, which like your messages disappear after you send them, which I don't understand how that's legal at all, because government officials use that, and like in theory you have to keep copies of all your messages. And then also, if the government wants your message, it doesn't matter if they disappear on Signal server. The government got them.
They got them shits. Fuck
CIA is like, hey, Charlie, look, more disappearing messages. Come look at this.
Fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Mark Cuban tried to do that shit. He tried to do that with Duster app or whatever.
Some shit
it was like Snapchat for text. I was like,
relax, guys.
My guy. Relax. It's not going to work.
It's like when Instagram came out with the heavy security, it was like, yo, if someone take a screenshot, we'll tell you. Everyone was like,
you going to do what? Wow.
Game changer.
Wow.
Game changer.
I seen that and I just did the gif of Shorty pushing the laptop away with the single tear. Like, wow.
But no, can't you? You can do the screen recording.
Oh, and it doesn't. They don't
get a notification.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to be messy? Yo, you ain't know?
Oh.
Listen. Not that there's any, but I'm saying if there's only two reasons why you'd screenshot someone's shit. It's either to like make a little beef stroking off, or to call them out on some shit. There's literally no in between. No. Maybe if you're just like, yo, I like that outfit, where'd you get it from? Maybe. Very rarely.
That like
most of the time it's like,
if there's a pie chart, that's like the 1% sliver of like, that was a fire fucking sneakers. I'm a.
It's either you respond with like eyes emoji, like yo, or you respond like really nigga. Oh wow. Yo. Tag the sponsor.
Wow.
Tag the sponsor.
Yeah.
Wow.
How you out there?
Wow.
How you out there?
Oh, if I had posted this though. Huh?
How would you feel?
How would you feel?
Yo.
It's coming through with like very descriptive arguments. I'm like, oh, this is all you're just
I see Shorty I went to school with. She disappeared off the gram for like 2 months, came back. I was like, wait a minute. She look a little different. So scrolling down, I was like, yo, hold up. And then I was like, that belly button, it's in a different position.
You got her. Lock it up.
We got enough for a case.
Law and Order Instagram edition. Just let me get it. You got a tattoo covering your lower torso.
Huh?
Yeah, just came back from DR. Huh? Yeah. And last week you added OnlyFans to your bio? Yeah, we know what it is. Turn around.
Yeah, turn around. You're under arrest
okay?
for finessing.
For finessing.
First degree finessing.
Yeah. Why is OnlyFans like have a negative connotation? Can't you be like a positive? Can't you have like a positive OnlyFans? What if Rosa Parks had an OnlyFans and it's just her like reading and shit? Fam,
that's dope. But you just reminded me of fucking Lonzo. That ain't no problem. Yo, this is Shorty, who's like a nurse or some shit. Dude, you already know.
It's a fraud. First of all, she is not a nurse.
She's not a nurse?
She is not a nurse. She's a nurse tech.
Okay.
There's a big fucking difference between a nurse tech and an RN.
And you already know what I'm talking about.
You already know the difference. Okay? I know what you're talking about. Don't you dare. Don't disrespect the RNs.
Yo, Son, shorty over here farting in jars. Nigga, talk about pay for my OnlyFans.
Like, come on, mom.
And these mad niggas in the mentions like, yo, yeah,
I mean,
with like the nose emoji and shit. I'm like, yo, no kink shaming, but I'm
no
like,
kick shaming, but also, you know, like it's hard to get fresh farts nowadays. You know, like it could be a Whole Foods like, yo, are these from this week? They're like, they're old. I'm like, sir, like the man fresh farts. The Thanksgiving, what am I going to serve for Thanksgiving? I'm on Amazon Whole Foods like fresh farts. Direct to the door.
Yo, nigga, I lost it because Shorty farted in a ball jar and then screwed the shit together. And I'm like, yo, some bozo just paid $1,000 for this fart. I was like,
okay, but think about it. Like Jeff Bezos, he donated 98 mil to help homelessness. That don't cost him nothing. If you got $1,000 for farts, nigga, live, nigga.
Get your fart on.
Nigga, get your fart. Everybody get your fart on. Get your fart, get your fart, get your fart on.
Hey.
I'm saying that's not baller shit. Baller shit is like, yo, you take Shorty out and you just feed her mad beans all night. Like, yeah, what's
you
up?
fart for me.
You fart for me.
In Tahiti.
Let's go. Eat that Chipotle.
All inclusive.
And you gotta, you know, maybe some of us are freakier than others. Maybe some of us have custom made facial masks that connect right to the butt. So you can enjoy farts all night. All night long.
Yo, farts are a wild fetish, man, because it's like,
Well, I'm okay. To you.
I know.
To you.
That's what I'm saying. To me.
Because there's probably a fetish you like that other people. That someone who likes farts is like, oh, you're nasty.
Oh, that's true.
And then meanwhile, there's someone who likes to stick their dick in dead bunnies. And like, they're looking at both of us. Like we're gross.
Yeah, we're all gross.
So
let's all hold hands. Sing Ring Around the Rosie.
Sucio. We are Sucio. We are the children.
Sucio to the nation. We are. Sucio to the nation. Yeah, because I ain't even gonna hold you, nigga. I was on the couch, had the rip one, and I was like, yo, you gonna really disrespect me and fart on my thigh like that? And she's like, yeah, they don't even smell. They don't even smell. They don't even smell. And I was like, yo, you're right. They don't smell. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, you stop farting.
You know what? Shout out to every girl I've ever dated. They never took a dumper from me or ever farted
on you?
No.
That's like that's when you know, like, you like
There's respect.
There's like you
There's
like
respect. I was like, yo, you don't gotta do much, ma. But don't let me know you're a human. So I asked.
It's like the episode of Rick and Morty when they went to like the planet. It's like, we don't fart, we don't burp.
Yeah.
Like, all men are garbage, and they just slingshot all the male babies into outer space.
Oh man, Rick and Morty. A lot of people don't understand it, so they don't get the intellect.
It's high level intellect.
Make Rick and Morty for president. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Shout out to farts, I guess.
Shout out to farts.
You know what I'm saying? If you enjoy farts, keep enjoying your farts.
What if a girl was just like, well, not a girl. I mean, like if somebody was like, yo, I'm really in the. What if Heather one day was just like, yo,
I want you to fart on me? Like that's what I'm into, like fart on me.
No. She wants to fart on you. She wants to fart in your mouth.
I guess.
Yeah.
I'll let her do it.
See, you can't be like that. It has to be enthusiastic consent. You can't be like, yes. That shows you're not into it. You gotta be like, yes, fucking nasty bitch.
Yeah, fart in my mouth.
Fart in my mouth.
Fart in my
Give me a
fucking
wet
nasty
one.
mouth.
Yeah.
It depends.
Yeah.
If I'm tipsy.
If somebody's you're just like, yeah, fine. Just do what you gotta do.
Yeah, good.
You know? Fine, suck my toes.
Yo, son. I told you yesterday, what if I fucking did a movie with The Rock and got $50 million, and I just told you that news right now, and then I was just like, yo, can I get some toppy? She's like, really? That's what you would say to me. You would say, I got a movie with The Rock, I got $50 million, suck my dick?
And did you double down on it?
I was like, well, I mean, not like that.
My next line would have been like, well, the likelihood of that happening is a lot higher than the likelihood of you walking in and saying that shit. Yeah.
I don't want to squabbles in the morning.
All right.
Yeah, no.
All right.
I'm not trying to hit Joey.
Okay.
5 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Okay. We're different cultures. Ladies. Come in the house like, where's my food, bitch? Why I smell like cold stove?
Cold stove? Things like cold stove. Yo, that shit is a distinct smell.
Listen.
That's like, yo, this shit has not been used in ages.
You come in, you smoke cold stove, and you be like, you do that West Indian thing where you shift your teeth around with your mouth closed, like. Then you gotta ask a rhetorical question like, "You been home all day?
Okay.
Did you eat? Oh, you're hungry.
Oh, you're gonna go on seamless. Seamless. Wow.
I'm like seeing less of the kitchen.
Oh, you know what? You know what's wild?
What's wild?
Your mom bought us this whole set of pots. They're great. They're
Aisha Curry, 38 sets of pans.
Top of the line. Still in the box.
Still in the box. Still in the box. It's in the middle of the kitchen because you don't clean up.
Yeah.
Because you're lazy. And you have lazy pum pum. That's when her brother gotta come through.
Fuck you up.
No, he tried to talk. He be like, "I talk to you outside." I'm like, "Yeah, what's up? He be like, "Yeah, all the women in my family have lazy pum pum, dog. This is how it works."
He act like
Yo,
my man.
You talk to my sister again like that.
You know what? I'm not gonna disrespect my sister. We gonna go outside and handle it.
She iron deficient, so she got to take the fentanyl. She stand up too fast, she get winded, so she can't cook.
Cut her some slack.
She really like you're a good man. Also, I tell you
what.
A contractor now. So if you need any cabinets, mirror, I got you.
Blood clot, we haven't been wanting to fix the pantry for years now.
Say less.
Say less. Shit, let's do it.
I've had this actual conversation. He's like, "You need cabinets?" I was like, "I don't have cabinets, but you're gonna need cabinets anyway. Take my number." So in my phone is just Tony cabinets. And then one day he's gonna be like, "Let me come to your show," and I'll be like, "Yo, what's your government name?" He's like, "You don't know my government name?" I'm like, "Nigga, it's cabinets." I don't even know your real name. He's like, "My real name's Michael." I was like, "What? Where did Tony come from?"
It's my grandfather's name.
Right.
Okay, all right. That makes no sense. Whatever. It's fine.
Right.
Somebody suck that baby's dick! Somebody suck that baby's dick!
It's been a while. Just gotta throw that out there.
You gotta give the people what they want.
Give the people what they want. Just somebody sucking that baby dick. That's a wild sentence.
Yo, and it's funny because it's bleeped. The baby is not dick, but baby is bleeped out on the YouTube version.
Yeah,
and people are like, "Why are they bleeping out baby? Why are they bleeping out baby?" Use your fucking brain. You know how quick a video that says "baby suck that baby's dick" is gonna get flagged on YouTube? This shit won't even finish uploading,
That's true.
Before it's flagged.
You just gotta knock on your door like, you know, we're not even talking. Just turn around.
Turn around,
Just
sir.
turn around.
Sir?
Give you fucking nasty sex offender.
Motherfucker.
Like, I made it for the Bodega Hive. It's funny. It's funny. It's a satire. What are you doing?
I'm well within my rights to do this.
I know the Constitution. This is problematic.
Yo,
how was your Thanksgiving?
Great. It was so eventful.
How was the turkey?
Oh, it was so moist.
Okay.
Shout out to Uncle Richie.
Okay, I don't know. That didn't sound like you're describing turkey.
So moist.
Okay. Clearly, I've logged on to browsers.com.
Nah, but when you get that turkey,
oh, it's so moist.
When you get the turkey with the crispy skin, and then the actual meat of the turkey is like still juicy.
Yeah.
But I'm Dominican, so we eat mape neal on Thanksgiving.
Oh, love it.
Keep it funky. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the spot on 138th Street. A couple days ago, lady acted like she could understand me when I was like, "Can I get pernil and rice?" I was like, she was like, "What?" I was like, "Pernil and rice." And she was like, I should call the other girl over. She was like, "Yeah, I don't know." I'm like, "Pernil."
Yo, shout out to my man people who calls the shit Pernil, like P-A Neil. He's like, yo, you got that Pernil, my nigga? That shit slap.
Yo, finally, I just started like pointing at it like a little kid. I was like, Pernil. She was like, "Oh," and it actually wasn't good. It wasn't like moist or anything. And I was like, "Yo, my spot on 233rd hooks that shit up. Y'all don't know what y'all doing on 138."
This is what you gotta realize or Pete, when you're going into the restaurant, is there mad worker dudes out there getting lunch? Because Because that means the Pernille's flipping. It's not sitting under the lamp
hello,
all day.
I was born and raised in the Bronx.
You know
I know
what I'm
that.
saying? You know what I'm saying?
He told me Fedora guy. He's gonna be like, yo, when you go in the bodega,
what I'm
the
saying?
store owner sometimes called Poppy. I was like, thank you. Yo, the
that's
2
what-
and the 5 train. That's red and green.
And green. So
like,
you gotta
wow.
be careful. You
Mero's basic NYC facts. Hey, did you know Brooklyn is not part of the Bronx? I'm like,
yo, that's wild.
wow. Houston Street's pronounced Houston, not Houston.
Hey,
You're not a cowboy.
don't mess up. New York tips.
I'm like, these New York tips suck. Meanwhile, there's a Midwest family like, whoa,
Oh, thank
we
God.
thought the Bronx was in Brooklyn.
Oh, my
You're saving
God.
some money. Now we're going to go back to our Airbnb in Bushwick and hope all our luggage is there.
Is a roach walking out with the luggage like, yo,
Yow.
yeah.
Good looks on the texter, bro.
Yo, shit's lit, yo.
I'm like, how is
I'm to get mad roach choach.
I'm like, how is that roach Polish? They're like, there's a lot of Polish people in Bushwick. I'm like, all right, cool. She used to be at my mama's house.
Yeah. We used to run Greenpoint.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm doing an acoustic show tonight. You should come through.
Yeah.
We're doing covers of Chief Keef.
Finito slaps, bro. Trust me.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Yo. Was that the Twitter argument over the weekend? Was it Finito versus computer? Was it Finito versus
No, there was a
computers,
bunch of like people.
or-
It was this weekend was contrarian weekend on the internet where people would just like post up your controversial take on different stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So you had one guy said that rice is ultimate waste. One person said Chinese food is a mess. Indian food is a mess. Beyonce's overrated.
Oh,
Jay-Z's an average rapper. No one outside of America eats grits. No, never heard of polenta. And then there was a lot of tweets that people don't realize that sending a tweet makes you look like a wild Bama. Because you're just like, yo, traveling's overrated. What's the point of a passport? And it's just like, that's definitely someone who does not have a passport says.
Like, fam, you never want to leave your county?
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck, my nigga? Like,
You, like, listen, it's going to be a sad day when you have to go to your boo and be like, yo, I got a special romantic getaway
I'm
to
saying?
Delaware. You don't want that shit.
Boom, you know what I'm saying? Take the Amtrak down there.
Yo, the fuck? Why?
Quiet car.
Why we got to go to France? We could go to South Carolina.
You feel me? We could go to Paris, Texas.
Ooh,
You know what I'm saying?
nice.
Pow.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Beat King over there. You know what I'm saying?
I heard they have a Dairy Queen there.
Yeah, they do.
Nice.
They do.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
But also, traveling is mad overrated. Planes are a Babylon thing, and
Planes are tubes full of demons.
it is. Every time you fly on a plane, you like spitting in God's face.
Yes.
Because God was like, man,
Man
it's
is
not
not
supposed to
meant to
fly.
fly, yeah,
And
no.
then you get on a plane, you like, you thought?
Nigga, I'm flying. What's up?
He's like, all right, I see you.
And I'm sleeping while I fly.
Okay.
What's up?
Wow, that's the biggest flex.
Yeah.
Think about a bird passing by a plane. And like the bird is flying mad hard over the ocean. Like the bird had to eat mad food months ahead of time for the journey.
Come on.
And he passes you, you're just like, he's
Sleeping
like,
mask cap on, like,
wow, Hong Kong, wow, Hong Kong. Look at it, yo.
Wow.
Yo,
Look at
oh,
this
shit. I'm
motherfucker.
trying to get
Oh,
your
shit.
attention.
Oh, chill. I'm turning
Shit,
away.
shit.
Oh, shit, my fault.
Shit.
I got stabilized.
That's like a slimming.
Yo, this nigga listen to Bobby Shmurda.
Wait a minute.
Wow.
Yo, is he watching Netflix? Oh, wow. Violating.
Yo, hold up.
Fuck that. Yo, I'm flying to the engine.
Fuck that. I hope Sully flying this shit, nigga.
Enjoy the Imagine you a bird, you see your fellow bird flying to the engine, and that don't even slow the plane down.
Woo.
Niggas just like, it should just keep going. You're like,
Oh shit. Okay, I ain't trying that.
Shit.
Nigga
Damn.
throw Timberland into the fucking engine.
Like rest in peace. Shit, I don't know.
I don't-
Fuck.
Shit, die for the flock, nigga. Damn.
If birds were smart, they just ride on top of planes. There's one smart bird out there like, y'all niggas still fly, couldn't be me.
Y'all niggas mad pussy. Nigga got the sleeping mask on. He's like,
I'm enjoying it. They got the wake up now banner. He's like,
wish you were here.
wish you were here. Join my money train.
Damn, I almost broke out into the Incubus song.
Which wish you were here. I wish you were here. I remember that. It was a great song when I was going through my parents' divorce. We lived in the West Coast, and I kept going between the two mansions. Both my parents were like filming. Actually, no. Apparently, that was Beverly Hills 90210. Okay, I have no idea what I'm talking about. I apologize.
It was.
I just remember my brother Dylan McKay, and he was dating Brenda.
Yeah,
it was a lot.
It was a lot.
And then I got my first place at Mero's place.
Yeah,
she was cool.
It was lit. And didn't Brenda break off and kind of do her own thing and become like a witch and shit?
She did.
With Alyssa Milano.
She did.
And Tony Danza was friends with Tupac.
Yeah, it was called Who's the Boss,
Yeah.
and it was they used to conjure spirits and they go Angela,
Yeah.
Angela, and then,
Mona, Angela, Samantha,
would you bone Mona?
Mona,
And in the era
Yes.
that I was watching Who's the Boss, absolutely. In this era,
In this era,
I don't know.
I don't think she's still alive.
I don't even know what Mona's looking like in 2020. Be like, I'm gonna keep it funky with you. I'm very shallow.
Ah, God.
Mona. Yo, my man had 4 lines in that whole show. He's like,
Rest in peace. She died February 23rd.
goddamn, of this year?
Yes.
Holy
She was born in
shit.
1929.
God damn.
Rest in peace, Catherine Marine Hellman.
Yo, rest in peace, Mona.
Rest in peace, Mona. Wow.
Is that like her one IMDb credit? I hope not.
No, she was in a
was
couple
out
things.
here.
She was in Coach, and she was
Oh,
in
shit.
Everyone Loves Raymond.
Oh, shit.
And several talk shows. She was in the movie Cars. She
Oh.
voiced Lizzie.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, she worked. She was in Cars 1, 2, 3.
Goddamn.
She was getting
she was
money.
caking.
She was getting money.
Tony Danza was like, Mona, can I hold a little something? Come on, I already called Samantha.
Samantha.
Angela's doing the fucking Murphy Brown reboot. That's the wrong white lady. Goddamn.
It really is. But shout out to Judith Light.
Shout out to
She
Judith
stayed
Light.
working.
You know what I'm saying?
There's
Yeah.
people who just be working. Like,
Yeah.
fuck it.
You know
They
what
get
I
the
mean?
job. And then you wonder if
You
it's
know
like,
my face?
yeah, I wonder if it's like people are reaching out to them or it's just like they answer the phone. Because there's definitely people in Hollywood and they call people. There's people in Hollywood who are so popping that when other people call them, they're just like, no, I'm not answering that
I'm
shit.
good.
And then they get faster for jobs and
Then you get Mona. R.I.P.
rest in peace.
Rest in power.
Rest in
You know what
power.
I'm saying?
Which is more impressive, rest in peace or sleep in power? I find rest in peace is better. Sleep in power means that sounds like that person can't just chill.
Yeah.
Now you guys gotta be like,
you just imagine them in bed, mad tense, like,
yo, what's up?
yo, like,
What's
doing
up?
like deadlifting in bed, like,
What's
yo.
up? Or nigga trying to call her out like, fuck that, fuck that.
Niggas say, nah, fuck that,
Fuck that.
nah.
I'm not
Nah,
napping.
niggas ain't burying me. Fuck
Nah,
out of
fuck
here.
Also, being buried is kind of shitty because, like, what if you're buried alive? Now you got to dig through 6 feet of dirt.
Fam, you're not.
You're not.
It's not happening.
And also, you got to not panic. And you have like maybe 20 minutes of air left in the coffin. Woo, good luck with that.
Yeah, good luck lifting fucking a ton and a half of fucking dirt off of a coffin who already has a coffin that
Also,
weighs a ton.
are we that afraid of dead bodies that we're putting them that far down?
6 feet?
That seems
like a
excessive.
lot. That seems like a lot.
That's like, yeah, you stand down there, nigga.
Is it because of that, or is it because of like the smell or something, decomposition or something?
No,
Are
decomposition.
caskets smell proof?
To a certain level, yes, but caskets in them themselves are just the hubris of humans. Like humans are like, I died, remember me. And it's
Remember
like,
me. Look,
you don't
put
see
me
that.
in a Cadillac on the
What
ground.
happens when ants die? Other ants drag the body back to the hive and they eat them.
Yeah.
Like, just throw dead niggas in the hole. But no, we take whole properties of land and ruin them. Properties where you could grow food. You could probably build a school. You could do anything.
Yo.
And we put dead bodies in there, stuffed with chemicals that then leak into the water supply.
Damn, that's terrible.
Think about that.
I was about to say, I was like, yo, if you didn't do it with chemicals. Oh, but I learned little Judaism fact. When you they don't fuck with the body. They don't embalm, they don't do none of that. So you gotta bury ASAP. And low key, that's like kind of environmentally, like, you know what I'm saying, woke. Like, fam.
The only way to get rid, we need to have shredders and shred people's bodies at their
and like compost.
No, not compost. Like shred, like
a tree.
how you have like the shredder and then it has
and
that,
it just spits the shit into
it spits into like a dump truck, and we just go around the hood and just shred like dead bodies and shit, and we can sell that as compost for people's gardens.
Fam,
It's lit until people have to shred their mama, and then it's like, I'm against this now.
Damn.
So that's why we never go anywhere.
That's a fucking. Like, you got shrimp, Big Mama. And these 3 niggas holding it up like, yo.
Sanitation's like, whoa, big man, you gotta lift that yourself.
Yo, my man.
Yo, Union, we can't lift that.
Yeah, nah.
She too big.
Nah, that ain't mine.
That's your auntie?
They lift Big Mama on the curb for 2 weeks in a row. You're like, yo,
why you ain't take my big mama? Yo, y'all got an invoice number?
Yo,
Hold on, let me check these papers.
Hold on, you gotta call a garage for that, homie.
Oh, you know, she wasn't available. Apparently, we came through on Wednesday and she wasn't there.
Nigga, my Christmas tree and Big Mama's still on the curb.
Oh, we can't take Christmas trees no more.
Oh, stop.
Sorry,
Bro. I gotta take Big Mama and the Christmas tree to Parkchester.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man. You gotta do.
God
Hope
damn.
you hurry up. Also, if you have like an old TPU tower, you might want to bring that too because it's recycling day.
Oh, God damn, bro.
Sorry about that. Merry Christmas. Have a good day.
Oh, shit.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Department of Sanitation.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Also, by the way, I've gone through like your I've gone through your trash a couple times. Like your wife got the nice panties, but y'all cook too much rice. I gotta go back. You're like, what the?
Yo, that's why I'm like, yo, be careful what you throw away, motherfucker. Don't just throw your drawers away.
Yeah, I've been checking from the garbage. Yeah, your wife is pretty regular. You're like,
sir?
just saying, you know, she's pretty regular. It'd be nice if you got me a regular Christmas present. Capiche?
I'm like, oh,
Wow.
okay. Wow. Okay. All right.
All right.
Shit. Goddamn, Tony Soprano. I'm sorry. I
know-
will tip your garbage man.
You want it to be
That's
low key. You could be like, yo, just take whatever you want for the garbage. That's your tip.
True.
Then you get shot.
Facts.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I feel like they know, like they up, cause like I'm constantly throwing away shoe boxes. So they're like, yo, this nigga threw away 20 shoe boxes, dog. It's recycling day. This nigga threw away 20. And then I see the dude, and they're just like, yo, like just kind of like, you know, niggas sizing you up, like, yo, what does this nigga do?
Rob this nigga.
Like, what does this nigga do? Like, yo,
Rob
he
this
came out,
nigga.
his nigga got no shirt, Ola's, 2 chains, crust in his eye. Do he sleep with the chains on? Like,
He's Daddy Yankee. I'm telling you.
I'm
telling you, he's a reggaeton artist.
yo, man, is that Donald Mark?
He had that song, da 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 Gasolina.
Yo,
You know,
fuck.
da da Gasolina. It was about if your car breaks down or some shit. I don't know.
Yo,
Somebody get gasolina under the gasolina. No, I need that diesel gasolina. It's like something for Tripway. I remember it.
It's like,
I remember.
fucking
He used to
cat.
work. It was like him, Dago E. Omar or some shit like that. Like they had some. Dominicana Polo. They had that song.
yeah, and they had the fucking thing there with the fucking
Boricua, Morena, Dominicano, Colombian. Just basically a list of groups you don't want to run into on land.
yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then they had Noriega over here
I'm
doing
like, yo.
reggae. What is it called? Reggae.
Yeah, he was like, this is what they what? This is what they give me reggaeton, and then like
Then he was like KK.
KK.
And I was like, add another K.
I know what gay means. Yeah. Welcome to the McDonald's on Houston. Like, okay, KK. You're trying to order after 3 a.m. Like, could you like use some Narcan first? You're holding up the whole line. Also, the bathroom number is 13759 if you want to get in. You don't have to buy some nuggets.
Yo, that's the only shit. The fucking bathroom code is like a social security number. It's like boop boop boop. It's like the nuclear codes and shit.
Well, you just have to use the bathroom at McDonald's, and then you got to enter the code. That shit. I'm like, yo, fam, just make me do trigonometry.
That's it.
Now I gotta remember the number. I gotta walk over there. I'm like 13. You walk over like 13579, 13579, 13975, 13759, 13975, 13975, 135. Get loose. Oh shit!
Fuck.
I just wait for someone to come out, and it's like,
You just hear somebody. You just hear on the 68. On the 68.
1379,
On the 68.
68, 1375.
60 on the 68. On the 68. Your order's up.
And you gotta be an emergency for a regular person to use those bathrooms, bro. If you live in a certain type of life,
Yeah.
as I always say, shout out to my man who went into the bathroom at the Metro North stop at 125th Street, which has a red light bulb. Why does it have a red light bulb? So you cannot find your veins, so you can't shoot up. And your man went in there and proceeded. He didn't fake like he was using the bathroom. He straight shot some fucking dope in there. And we all were like, yo, we know what you're doing. Get out of there. He's like, I'll be out in 10 minutes, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, you gonna shoot up and enjoy the shit in there? Like, come on. Now you violating.
Yo, at least
there's a pew right there.
Yo, lean on the pew.
Now I
nigga.
want some privacy for this, bro.
Yo, I want a private lean.
I want private leave. This one goes for my gangsters. And they're out there in their private lean. All right, bro. If you look right in the red lights, it's like, you know, it's like Disney Plus.
Yeah, it's fucking
dope
awesome.
fiends.
Yeah, it's amazing, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Star Wars.
MOC K. Man,
Mandalorian.
I'm in the Mickey Mouse Club. If by Mickey Mouse you mean heroin. Wait, what? That's not a joke.
Sir.
Are you doing a type 5? No, I'm doing a type bag.
Oh, man. I almost made a Disney Plus joke.
Disney Plus. So exactly like
foul.
So exactly like what's the plus? Like a handy?
Yo, my God,
Listen,
stop.
You don't want to take an AIDS test and come back. Disney Plus, was that the joke you were going to make? Oh my God, how did that just get in my head?
Disney HIV Plus.
Oh, I didn't even think like that. What did you just airdrop a joke to me?
I was like, yo, should I
feel
do it?
violated.
I was like, should I do it? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I was like, fucking nigga, Disney HIV Plus.
You did not have consent to airdrop that joke to my brain. I feel violated.
Fam, my entire Thanksgiving was the debate of the night was, is Nutriment a drink for fiends? Because I said that shit. Three of us were smoking outside. Came back inside cracking up.
Right.
Everybody's like, yo, what y'all laughing at? Yo, I said, yo, if you see a motherfucker drinking a Nutriment in 2019, they're ahead. Like, and everybody started cracking up, and it was just like, yeah. Everybody was from the Bronx. It was like, yeah, basic knowledge. And then my homegirl was there, my man Remo, and his wife Erica was there. Erica was like, yo, what's wrong with Nutriment? And Remo was like, yo, chill. He's like, yo, you set yourself up to get roasted.
Yo, who drinks Nutriment? Because Nutriment's supposed to be like healthy, right? No, it's not. It's not healthy. It's like, yo, I'm having problems staying healthy. Like I saw, you don't go with like people don't you don't see white wives running on the Upper East Side just casually sipping on Nutriment. Like Nutriment has a very specific purpose that involves poppy and getting right. All right, and maybe I turn my life around. Like,
yo, I try to tell niggas, I was like, yo, if you see 4 niggas in front of a building drinking Nutriment, that's a methadone clinic, dog.
It's true. It is true. Also, Nutriment is mad expensive.
Yeah, low-key.
So
I think that shit was like activists. Like, they discontinued that shit in like 2011.
Like, but it's a full meal. It gives you a full meal. It's a lot of sugar.
It's a meal supplement.
It's a meal supplement. Like,
it's also half a bag of Domino's refined sugar.
Some people live lives where they don't have time to get meals.
That's true.
So
you know what I'm saying? We gotta eliminate these food deserts.
That's not what food desert means. Like food desert and Nutriment have nothing to do with each other. All right? No one is like, I live in a food desert, let me take Nutriment. Like that has never happened. That has never happened.
Niggas just see Nutra in the title. They're like,
if they gotta leave with that,
it's nutritious.
Yeah, it ain't nutritious.
Then they got insurance. Like, yo, you sure you want to drink this shit, nigga? Like, yo, niggas look at you sideways, bro. You on a non-bus drinking the Ensure.
You can't just get off work and crack open the Ensure and just be guzzling this shit. Niggas like, yo, big man, you can't drink that in here. Can't drink that Ensure in here.
It's like 151. Like, yo, nah. Hold on.
Oh man, you came through with the Ensure. To ensure you taking your daily caloric take. That's what it's called, Ensure.
Facts.
Like,
yo, when you hunt for crack, nigga, ain't no time for food, nigga. You need that shit.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Oh man. Wow, niggas just freaking Ensure, and Mero was like,
sir?
No, I'm on a diet.
What kind of diet? Trying to stay alive diet, nigga?
You know, you're just a joke. You're just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Oh my God. Bruh.
As always, Jesus and Mero Season 2 returns February 3rd. On Showtime, our first guest will be Oprah until she sees this interview.
She's just drinking it short like, excuse me?
It's a fraud.
Oprah come through with mad gifts for us. What if Oprah comes through with like her favorite things, but they're all hood shit? Like she's like, yo, banana rolling papers. This is my favorite thing.
I love it.
Strawberry Kush, I love it.
Hype blood press.
I love it.
2 for 99 cents. Can't beat it.
Listen, I saw this in Germany. Had to get one for my friend Desus and Mero. Look, it's a 38 ppk special. Look at it. 9 bullets. You can like a nigga. Oh, love it. Pop, 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 pop.
Blinky with the sticky. Love it.
Oh, man. I'm like, thank you, Oprah.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate Oprah. Appreciate you, Oprah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's when the blessings come in, bro.
Yo, you already know. You know the vibes, cuz.
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Wow. It's a double time. Scary. Scary.
What's in a fart? What is the chemical composition of a fart? Methane? Not methane. That's
Sugar and
calcium.
spice and everything nice.
Everything nice.
Oh, that's a kid out there was like, little girls are made of sugar and spice and everything nice. They was like, little boys are made of snugs and snails and puppy
dog
tails.
I was like, why?
you know what?
Why?
Like, I was in first grade. I heard that. That was the first time I was like, fuck you, bitch. It was like, what?
Oh, brother, this guy.
No, but you hear shit like that, you're like, I could push this little girl down. That. You expect me to be nasty? I'm gonna just be nasty.
I'll be nasty. I'll be an asshole.
You like nasty. That poem ruined my life. This man insults like, yeah.
That's right.
He's right.
He's right.
He's like,
That's true. That's true.
If all I am is a puppy dog tail, well, I'm gonna act like a puppy dog tail.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
And I'm just gonna writhe around on the ground and ask for your attention.
yeah. And I'm gonna like hack your photos and like threaten to kill you.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dox you.
I'm dox you because you stupid bitch. I love you.
Yeah, if you take an X off a dox and you put a G there, that's dog, and that's a puppy dog tail. So I'm doxing you because I'm a fucking yeah.
Okay,
Think about it. If you think about it, man. It's my purpose in life, bro.
Stupid. I'm not gonna give you a chance.
Doxing. See, doxing is weird because doxing and docking are two separate things.
But they both
They're similar,
are
though.
similar in that community.
Also, I got questions like docking. Like, who's the first? You got to be really comfortable with another person. Be like, yo, let's dock.
Yeah.
Because it's just like,
how do you do it? Like, do you do you measure like?
nah, you just put it in, baby.
I know that, but it's
Yeah.
like one foreskin has to go over the other one.
Yeah,
So it's like, what if y'all both circumcised? How do you dock?
with love.
Maybe that's the cottage industry that we need to fuck.
We're
with.
gonna create new docking foreskins.
Stocking foreskins.
But it's not the same. You got to like put a fake foreskin on the dock.
But it's like the thought that counts. It's like, yo, I want to dock with you so much, my brother. You know what I'm saying? We're so connected that we don't both lack foreskins, but I bought this, you know what I'm saying, very lifelike fake foreskin for us to be able to dock and share that experience together.
Hey, you listening to this on a train? Get nasty.
You nasty
You nasty.
motherfucker.
Yeah, we're talking about docking, but you chose to listen to this.
Yeah.
You listen to 181 episodes of this.
You nasty
These are two
motherfucker.
guys that
Nasty.
don't talk about docking. And now you got the image of
Gross.
us possibly docking.
Nasty.
And it's us, and we both look like the Run DMC cover. We got our hands together.
Yeah.
With dots. And what's between our dicks? Hip hop.
Hip hop,
Real
hip hop, hip hop.
Doc hop. Dick.
Fucking vibes.
You know
what
the
I'm
vibes.
saying?
You know the vibes. Doc hop, real doc hop. Dick hop, real dick hop. I say 1 for the money, 2 for the show. Come on, brother, let me show you my hole.
Hey, baby booba, a baby booba. A baby booga to the booga to me.
Now, what you hear is not a test. We ducking with our cocks.
Hey, that's right. And we drinking in shores on the motherfucking block.
There's mad people like just dance to this. Got the fever in the 80s. Like, yo, I love that.
Drinking in shorts.
Doc, planet doc.
Don't stop.
Don't stop and docking. Don't stop and don't dock. Why do we have doc ready songs? Someone's writing the show. We're not coming up with this off the top of our head. There are 20 writers on the show. The show's a fraud.
They're all called drugs.
What's funny about that is if either one of us OD, they're gonna show that and make us laugh in slow motion and turn it into gray, black and white. I just put like our age, be like gone with Bodega Boys 2019.
2019.
It's gonna be the Victoria drop, but Bodega Boys. They'll be like, wow, Bodega Boys died, and go to Bodega Sushi right now to buy your tickets for their farewell tour. That's right. The Bodega Boys ice cream truck will be coming to Seattle, Portland, Oregon, South Carolina.
And shit like, yo,
take it.
Meet and greet and shit. It's the casket like.
It's like an asterisk on a meet and greet. It's like price of meet and greet goes down the worse they smell.
Nigga Adam just spraying us with Lysol. He's like, no, it's okay, dude. It's okay. It's great. It's great. It's
Listen,
great.
200 people.
You guys need anything?
You can do that.
You need anything?
People, again, can I ask, do not take their fingers. Do not take their fingers when you take a photo with them.
Please do not take an eyelash as a memorabilia.
Oh, shit. Y'all niggas stupid. I took Mero's dick.
I got pregnant. I don't know how, but it's just, niggas just don't work.
They're like, how's it still working? How's his dick still working? And why is he's dead but he's smirking?
It's like a lizard's tail, nigga. You cut that shit off, she's still like, hey, no music. Hey.
The man scientist is like, yo. Well, the scientist is like, yo, it's crazy. Look. Cut the tail off, right? Now just be quiet. Shh. Now wait. What? How's it doing it?
What happened?
Where's the music coming from?
What the fuck?
How is the tail? I'm pregnant.
My belly's growing.
I'm pregnant.
What the fuck? I feel kicking.
I want hookah. And for some reason, I feel super romantical about La Marina. Reopen. We're gonna do that movie Les Miserables about the French Revolution, but it's about us reopening La Marina.
Yeah.
And like, I guess one of us has to die, like trying to open the gates.
Yeah.
But
Well,
everyone still parties afterwards. But
yeah. And everybody docks at the end.
Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. We have to admit, your favorite podcast is taking a check from Big Doc. Big Dockin'. We're brought to you by Cash App and Dockin' Dicks.
Dockin' Dicks.
Which has the same logo as Dunkin' Donuts, which was super confusing. I was at the office like, I'm going to D&D. You guys want anything? They're like, whoa.
I mean, if you're offering.
I was like, I'm going to Dunkin' Dicks, not Dunkin' Donuts. They're like, oh, God, gross.
Oh, gross.
I was like, oh, you eat at Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh, gross.
They had Eli Manning.
We were connect our cocks. You want to eat munchkins?
Yeah. I have standards.
Munchkins is the wild finesse, too. They just took the extra little donut hole and just gave y'all niggas that. Like, yo, here, hold that.
But and then it's such a scam because when you go get Dunkins, they're like, when you go get Munchkins, they're like, you want like 20, 40, or 60 or whatever. And then they're like, we picked them out for you.
Bang, boom. There you go. You can't even be like, yo, I want that. 5 of these.
I picked them out.
But can
Look at me. Look at me.
Okay.
I am the Munchkin master.
But
I control the Munchkins.
I'm allergic to the jelly, though.
Fight jelly.
Like, yo, you're my man.
And you know what the sad thing is? Even though we have not worked in the office for real in a while, nigga, you see a nigga walk through that office with a box of Munchkins
and the box of Joe,
nigga.
You like,
nigga? I start doing the Pete Buttigieg hands.
What, nigga? Yeah. Fuck that. Yeah, we out here.
Yeah.
Throw my shirt out the window. Like, fuck that.
Like, yo, I bought a Western omelet, but yoink,
fuck
Dunkin',
that shit.
Munchkins. Oh wow, Munchkins from the conference that was in this conference room before us. So basically, these are all the Munchkins that were left behind, but someone touched them.
Yeah,
I don't care. Put them on the plate. You gotta go tell your boy, like, yo, there's food in the conference room.
Yo, don't tell nobody. Yo, shit's on the low.
And some girl's like, there's food in the conference room, B. Then everyone start running. You're like, shit. I hope there's a sandwich left.
Bro, it should be
who cut a bagel in half? Who does this?
Yo, why would you do that? Yo, I'm on a keto diet, bro. It's my cheat day.
That make your whole day in the office. You be like, niggas have free food in the cafeteria. Yeah, fuck it. It's a good Tuesday, nigga.
Yo, the pizza's cold. I don't give a fuck.
Yo, and they had cream cheese.
What?
Nigga, this shit was like best day of my life, nigga. Just the real shit.
Oh,
Philadelphia's.
Oh shit.
It's crazy,
bro.
The
whip shit?
The whip shit.
Oh,
they be bored as fucking a conference. It's like, yo, nigga, I got a bagel. Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all. Still put the jelly on this shit. Like,
they're like, so basically, this is the program we're gonna use to get rid of all the black people in the Bronx. And they're like,
nigga, I got my motherfucking bagel.
Nigga, you want to have 4 more of these conferences? I'll help you.
Nigga, I got a bagel. Shit. Fuck that shit. I got a bagel.
Blueface, keep it down. Okay, I know how you feel about, like if you're mopping on niggas, but please. Imagine you work in the office with Blueface. Like after he's been Blueface. I'm like, he's not rich anymore.
He's like, hey, nigga, these copies ain't collating. I need a motherfucking toner cartridge and some bagels.
You know what? You need to lower your voice.
Hey, they sent me out for breakfast. What should I get? A bagel?
Jonathan Michael Porter. You need to lower your voice.
No, my name's Blueface, baby.
Your name was Blueface.
Nah, it's Blueface, baby.
No, it's actually IT guy. It's IT guy with a Blueface tattoo. Go over there and unplug those tandies. I'm not telling you to get Jonathan.
Oh, so you want me to bust down them tandies?
Yeah.
Bust down Tandiana, bust down Tandiana.
I walked into that.
I walked into that. Bust down Tandiana, bust down Tandiana.
Jonathan, I need you to stop. That's your real name. You went to college.
Oh, man, come on, man. I didn't go to no college.
You went to high school.
I was out here Crip. I'm famous Crip.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you?
I spelled it with a Y, cuz.
Okay, first of all, you're too pretty to be a Crip.
I appreciate that.
You look like our friend Street Beef from Viacom. Like,
Thank you.
You need to stop.
Thank you.
Blueface.
So should I model?
You shouldn't model, but what you should probably do is fill out your timesheet because that's how we get paid, and you have not filled out your timesheet.
I was just here for the bagels.
And you also called it a slime sheet, and that's not gonna HR doesn't want that.
Shit. What you want me to do? Violate my set?
Sir, you're 2 months behind on your rent. You do not have a set anymore.
But guess what I got? A motherfucking bagel. I'm out of here, nigga. Fuck that.
You better come back in for our mandatory docking classes.
Fuck that. Docking DOCCING.
All right, that's enough out of you. That's enough out of you. That's enough. We've had enough of Mero. Mero is canceled. It's a wrap on Mero. And that's a wrap on episode 181. PS 181. Shout out to IS 181. Part of the IS 181 Truman 180 Industrial Park that had hella asbestos one year.
You know what I'm saying?
Love that shit.
Shout out to 181 and say that. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everybody who goes to New York, who went to school in New York City. Listen, in 10 years, we're about to have a class action lawsuit, and we're going to own this bitch.
Yeah.
Wow. They had us breathing in asbestos flakes in school, and they was like, you'll be all right, little niggas.
Fam, there was one classroom in my building, in my junior high, that every teacher that went there went on to die of cancer like 5 years later, and it was like, I wonder what the situation is up here.
I remember one, I forgot, in Truman, the asbestos touched me in the showers. Hey, it's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Chipotle, and Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go! Who touched you? I was like, asbestos. Somebody I might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Dorado, 1994, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC, Lickle Gunga P. Just a hearty soup for them winter days. It's dying.
Oh, shit.
Put up for 40 with your shorty. And you don't talk to me in the Uber pool, because why?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know you. If I got in an Uber pool, something's not right in my life. I probably was angry. I probably stormed out of a restaurant.
I made a mistake.
Now I'm in here. Don't talk to me. Don't mention the show. Don't mention the illustrious podcast. Don't mention how like our merch sells out right away. Don't mention how we just like we're just the hottest thing in the industry right now. Hot tings. Not to be confused with our new show called Doc Tings.
Yo.
Whoa. Wheel up.
Docking.
Hosted by Maccabee. I was like, no. What are you doing with those 2 cucumbers?
Yo, sir.
My original +1. Got a +1 so they can fuss them. Matter of fact, I don't even got +1s anymore. I just show up with niggas. I literally just show up with niggas.
Like 8 niggas at once. Like, yo, what up?
They're all with you. I was like, nah, there's 20 more in the car. Because you know what? We've always respected the +1 rule. Since day one. We've always played the right way. Remember when Fresh Montana pulled up for Fool's Gold Day Off? He had 30 +1s with him.
He had so many niggas on stage that the stage caved and almost collapsed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I respect it.
There's
a lot of people from the Bronx using the iPad to take photos.
Yo, beautiful.
Love it.
Beautiful sight.
Love it.
Beautiful sight.
I was like, who is that kid? They're like, that's Bobby Schmurder. I was like, what?
Free to 9.
Yeah, free to homie.
You know what I'm saying?
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Hey, I'm Jamaican and I'm Jewish.
Hey, it's a good thing. It's a good combination.
I make a good curry brisket.
You're very industrious and, you know.
I work hard and I save hard.
Do a good brisket.
Jamaican avocado toast. Hey, come here, bro. Smear me on top of your bagel. You got to pay $19 now. Avocado toast out. Young Pa, that goes to Mufasa. Young charcuterie without the culinary. That's right.
Yeah.
Rest in peace to all our interns that used to make the charcuterie plates.
Yeah.
At,
you know what I'm saying?
Showtime. I loved it. I loved how you guys used paleo string cheese.
Yeah.
And you
made it look fancy.
And used the ham that Poppy uses. You used Boardhead's ham. It was very dry.
It's lit.
But it came in. It worked.
You know what I'm saying?
So
It's the thought that counts.
It's the thought. You know what I mean? You know, you'll always be.
Put that work in
our memory.
That's right. Love y'all.
AKA Chili Lamont left handed relief for the Yankees. Okay.
Papi.
Can you believe we didn't make it in the playoffs and we lost?
Papi, that's what happened when, you know, thing happened at party. And, you know, I don't want to really talk about it right now on TV and the microphone. So we're going to be quiet about that.
Do you remember CC Sabathia Gala? You remember what Mero did? He got drunk and, you know, he got a little problematic. And,
Papi,
hey,
Papi, no, see, no, Papi.
No, he no hit no woman.
No, Papi, no.
He hit the blunt.
Yeah, that's it.
He hit the blunt
That's
hard.
it, Papi.
He called the blunt a stupid bitch.
That's it. Because I roll it bad. That's it.
Everyone was over. He's beating someone. I was like, no, his shit's canoeing. Give
him some space.
Give some personal time, you mosquitoes. DJ Machina, Jay Chuckles, ha ha ha, ha ha. You kids want to see my balloon? Sandy Cups. You with Dr. Bonner's label. It's not telling kids to see stuff on this. The whole thing is like Mero's a father. They're gonna be, what about you? I was like, gotta go. Yoink. DJ not the trap, yo. Mr. 240p. Crack my Pinot blurry. Actually, no, 240p is not even visible. Like,
I tried the other day.
You try it. Your 4K TV is like, what are you doing?
Fam?
Your 4K TV, like, yo,
we don't gotta do this. Your TV turns into Drake. Like, yo, you don't gotta do this.
It starts switching between game mode, picture quality, all type. It starts trying to fix it. I'm like,
yo,
it's unfixable, bro.
Fam, no, you don't gotta do that.
It's unfixable, bro.
It's obsession.
It's just sad, bro.
They got it. Yo, remember when HBO did the fucking Wire and they remastered it and they made it like HD?
Yeah.
Bring back all the old Pinot. Remaster the old Pinot.
But see, the thing is, who's gonna pay for that?
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos ain't paying for shit.
Come on.
That's something. Jeff Bezos got mad money, don't want to do nothing with it.
That's what I'm saying. Well, you just gonna sit on all that bread, you bozo?
Do something. Like, people in the hood, they get like chains, they get cars, they want to flex. Like, what if you just bought all the projects and just fix them up? Yeah. Everyone was singing your name. You could be the new Trump. Cause remember, we always used to be like, I want to get money like Trump and all the rap songs. Yo, no, I'm tired of having pesos, nigga. I'm trying to beat Jeff Bezos. Like,
that's
that
right.
Kind of thing.
Nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Niggas don't know.
Come on, son.
You know what the problem is?
Imagine you be like, yo, son, yo, 40 block, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm repping Bezos houses, nigga. What's up?
Mm-hmm. Straight Amazon houses, you know what I'm saying? Amazon Edenwald, you're you know what I'm saying? Alright, Baychester Prime, my nigga, you know what I'm saying?
We out here, nigga.
Whole Mitchell Projects, Whole Foods, you know what I'm saying? Same day delivery to your door, nigga. The problem is, if Jeff Bezos bought all the projects, he'd make all the people in the projects work for Amazon. And he do some fucked up shit like, yo, if you do enough work, your door opens. If you do enough work, the lights go on. You know what I'm saying? And we'd be like, oh shit, he got us.
Yo, he's just waiting to turn the entire planet into an episode of Black Mirror. That's what he wants to do. He wants balloons and drones and all types of wild shit. He's looking into the future and wasting mad money on vests.
What's his deal with vests?
And tactical vests too, not just like regular vests. Like fishing vests with mad pockets.
He's like, oh, y'all talking about all that. Y'all talking all that. Shoot a billionaire shit.
Yeah,
try it, pussies.
Yeah, try it, nigga.
Try it, pussies. I got something for you.
It ain't just money in these pockets, nigga.
Try it.
You know what I'm saying? I'm holding. That's Jeff Bezos busting a gun like,
yeah. Who's pussy now?
Yeah, who's pussy now?
Who's pussy now?
Huh? Yeah.
You got the ear protectors in.
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot your fucking nutriment out of your hand.
Are we still gonna dock? We still docking, bro?
Oh, so his head look like a dick.
Wow. Nigga said, niggas,
what the baby gonna eat, man?
What the baby gonna eat? What is the baby going to eat? Is the baby gonna eat some docking dick? What is the baby gonna eat? Are you concerned about what babies eat? Or are you concerned about...
Somebody suck that baby.
That's right. That's right, baby.
Oh, man.
Yo, I hope that clip got cut off right before he threw up.
He's like,
and that just makes me sad. Because I just want to hear him be like, damn.
Hey, it's your boy DJ Ola.
Yeah.
AKA Washed FM. With the hottest washed
Ooh.
Tunes on the internet.
Flavor.
Up next today, we got a little classic song you might know from, I don't know, perhaps a baby shower in the Bronx. Maybe some nuptials. I know Mero know this shit.
Woo!
That's right, it's a classic song. She's Like the Wind.
What? She's like the what?
Lumidee featuring Tony.
Yo.
This shit sound like when your girl get drunk at brunch and you wait for the Uber and she be singing in the lobby and you like lower your voice.
Yo,
she's like, no, I sound exactly like Lumidee.
Stop. You don't.
See, that's the same.
No, it doesn't. You sound like you dropped something.
Why they shot this on 3rd Ave? like Lumidee's holding a receipt to get on a transfer bus. They're like, yo, the 2 trains out of service, bro.
She's like, I'm on the shuttle.
That's a Bronx love story. Some of y'all got made because your father got on the shuttle bus because it was weak in construction, and so your mother on the accordion bus going up 3rd Ave.
Yep.
And your mother had the yeeks on, or she was playing like some song off her phone. She was playing like "Kiss Me Through the Phone," Trey songs to the phone. And your father was like, "Yo,
yeah, that's
He was like, yo, you want the Scanlan?" She was like, "Yeah, I did."
Yeah, for like a year.
Cause y'all know, cause I still got the pink skirt on.
Wow, how you knew that?
I'm a classy bitch.
I went to St. Catharines.
I'll suck you off. All right, here we go. Desus Spicer, Jamaica Hash Brown, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain her. The word to Ja. Young Era on the Rich Provocateur. Hey. Let's hear on those upper class blacks. Hedrick Budcross, Nelson Mandela. Said you can't see me, Vladimir Booth in the human world is melting in your mouth.
Goddamn.
Mr. Beckson Dickinson, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Moore says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool combo.
Oh, yeah.
For the docket.
Yeah.
The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
Duckets.
Just record it like. Next on the docket. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. Number couple news. The Prince of Peck on the Fast Nova Casino. Will you make $5, $10?
Yo, what you need?
Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. That's right. Hi. And you heard Desus Nice asked for big money wine. That's why we came up with this new coin called Pinot Coin. It is Bitcoin for Pinot collectors.
That's right.
Mero's co-signed on it. What you can just do is like you just set this app and it generates Bitcoin.
Yeah.
While you beat your meat while watching pornography. Blockchain.
The more you beat your meat, the more profit you earn.
Ironically enough, if you're actually blocked, you can make more money. Pinot Coin. Be sure to check it out. Available now on Cash App. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at Square One top left. That's his Marv. Right now.
Don't tease me, bro.
Oh my god. I feel sick. That's right. I have universal health care. True risotto. Holy cow.
Hey.
Oh my god. There's black people on the Yankees. Mr. Southpaw, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
Making a little beef jerking off.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, we didn't even start with the Pinot counter this week.
Nah, we like fucking dirty.
Fuck it. I'm gonna get dirty. Remember that song, Christina Aguilera?
Yeah.
And Redman. She actually looked dirty.
Yeah. She actually did look wild. I was like, yeah, that's a lot.
All right, she's doing a lot. We got OJ, Purple Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey, mix me with Hennessy. Ha Right on your enemies. Ha David Yurman. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is blood. These shoes. Smoke Keem, Noah, Andrew, Culinary. That's right. Look at me in this red leather outfit. Yeah, check your things up.
Also, real quick, Sunny D is just non-alcoholic Alizé. Not if you think about it.
No,
it is.
It's not.
Same ingredients.
It's not.
Gotta read the labels.
No, because Sunny D
read the labels.
Sunny D has love in it. Okay, the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down, probably charge.
Yo, sit on it. No wireless. You must connect.
Come here, little bitch. What's your charge, Pon? Mm-hmm. Come here, because I got your bitch on freeze. I might accidentally kill your dog while doing a peg grooming.
Goddamn. I'm sorry. Listen, you got 8 nipples. You don't need all of them.
You got it. Topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to 11791. That's right. We're Sayasa, man. We're not gonna take no shit from Babylon.
That's right, man.
We run the fucking train, bro.
Fuck Selden, bro.
Who fucking won lacrosse last time?
That's right,
it's
man.
Just us, bro.
Hempstead, suck my dick.
Yo, who fuck Hempstead?
Yeah. I mean, unless you're an MS-13, then you're cool. All
right?
Please don't kill us.
I know a girl at Huntington. Come with me. I don't want to get robbed. Okay, Grandpa Joe, because you see Charlie, you see me. You don't touch that golden ticket. This cat will scratch it around. Works the world feline AIDS. You got Dead-Eye Desus Morning, Sheriff. Be sharing if I stole some burnt bees. Yeah. They're like it's like a two.
Sir, we don't care.
Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with Bad Breezy like I'm easy. Please believe me.
it.
And I actually be on Street Easy without the Bad Breezy. But, like I'm easy. Yeah. Close enough. The black Adam crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina and a mesh marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer. No, it could be Ella. The Black Jack Morris of Port Morris. Young KPI for all my marketing people. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Sick and confess. Make sure the chest things on your chest. You need to confess.
Yeah.
I will deliver. I am a giver. Reach out and touch faith. It's your boy, Personal Jesus.
Yeah.
Remember, don't get that mixed up. If you're on your deathbed, don't ask to talk to the Personal Jesus.
No.
Ask to talk to Personal Jesus.
Yes.
I cannot get you into the heavenly gates.
No.
I'll come up with the L like,
yo, shit. You
damn,
die,
nigga, you
nigga.
dying.
Oh, shit. That's fucked up. Yo, get this nigga some morphine, B, so it can go comfortably.
AKA your problematic bae. It's not a secret family. If you're in the PS4 and they play Xbox or vice versa, listen, you got to disown them.
That's right. It's true.
It is.
You know what I'm saying? You can't be and be
You can't be on both platforms, bro. Pick a side. Pick a side.
Yes, you fucking cowards. It is your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking Cocker Spaniel, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. No, I do not. You know what I'm saying? I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, dog. I played Charlie Tuna in a very, very, very successful ad campaign. You know what I'm saying?
I love it.
You know what I mean? Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bathia, AKA James Synphatic, got ghosts on you, shorty. You know what I'm saying? You have to wait to see who killed me. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, I smoke a 3-gram backwood and then hit you with this motherfucking 9-iron in your motherfucking chest, nigga. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Then I do a slow motion fist pump. Like that. AKA getting to the money and smoke, it's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got all my kids headlining at Coachella. That's right. The Bodega Princess and the Meros, triple plat, no promo, because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA, bitch smack me on, but AKA, Diego Maradona. AKA, digging your baby motombo, you don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, no, it does not. It belongs to her. It is her agency, and I respect it. Thank you. Thank you. I am an ally.
Ally.
Mogote, he ally. Mogote, he ally. Mogote, he ally. Thank you, my people. Shout out to Akon. AKA David Trisdale, nigga. I'll take that for data. You know what I'm saying? Andre Barry's the greatest rookie since LeBron, nigga. I'll fight all you niggas. I don't care.
Fight him.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Paulo Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I don't even care, nigga, because it was a fucking Buick LeSabre. I said that shit last week, nigga. I got mad slander for Buick LeSabres for no reason.
I mean, it's very specific. Even I went home and I was like, what the fuck does he have against a Buick LeSabre? But that's such a specific car that if you have one, you have to defend it.
Yeah, you have to.
It's like people who still drive PT Cruisers.
You're like, yo, it's mad comfortable.
Yeah,
Shut up. I got mad headroom.
You know, it's like, all right, relax.
AKA the Dominican did not attack my daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you when your fucking management comes up here and asks me how Heather the kids is doing and want selfies and shit.
How are they doing?
You know what I'm saying? They're doing quite well, actually. You know what I'm saying? Adrian is starting soccer and shit. Hopefully he gets into the Euro League and I get a good return on my investment.
Please tell them hello for me.
Yeah, I will. Oh, now back to you, Edward.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. This line is closed.
Oh, wow. Yo, put my fucking burger in the bag and keep it. I'm gonna burn down this motherfucking Five Guys, B. Stop playing with me, yo.
Wow. Yeah.
Put motherfucking peanut oil french fries on my shit in the bag, nigga.
Wow, you really gonna have Five Guys for lunch?
Why? Are you judging me?
Five Guys.
Wow. Yeah. Hit the problematic line. That's right. And when you're fired, I got you on video. Now you mad problematic.
My name's Tyler.
I'll put you on fucking... You're canceled, Tyler.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
You ain't come out of here.
Okay. Romeo Santos.
Uh-oh.
Tu favorita, mami. So zany. Let me black out. Yo, what happened yesterday? I don't know. I just woke up with just wearing my Chelsea boots and nothing else. But it's fucking lit. Let's go. AKA Light No Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke as ain't got fire. You know what I'm saying? So why don't you go back to that fucking bodega and cypher K2 with the fiends, you cornball.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, girl got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? Me and the Bobby Kraft Table Shop boys, you know what I'm saying? You know what time it is, you know the vibes. You know what I'm saying?
No, the motherfucking vibes.
That's right. AKA Field Ass Tyson, I want to explode Cosmos my consensually, you know what I'm saying? Because we consent boys on this side, you know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Susie, first nigga to tap on our live. I've been doing it, you know what I'm saying, before all your favorite SoundCloud rappers. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? All for pure exhaustion, and not Hollywood exhaustion, neither, nigga, actual exhaustion. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zano Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smuggle me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Get the Tolete roll, yo. That shit slap. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your meaningless existence repaired a poor child's cerebral cortex using only mini USB cords that you found around the house and Snapple caps? You have not. So don't you ever direct your eyesight in my direction, you coward. Can't you get the strap?
Get the strap.
Clap this nigga. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport niggas got garbage down the way. My shit is just 2 for $5 and they not stank. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brad, shut the car down. You know what I mean? Got your baby moms backing up but Nilsey. AKA live from the motherfucking Western Beach View is the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and don't sing love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA my friend says I'm never gonna fail. AKA, listen, mate, every week I tell you this. Seems like most of you forget, most of you remember. There's only 2 rock stars left, mate, in this world. It's the Bodega Boys, and I'm one of them. The plantain sleeping ever in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, wondering how I proved the 5th of Hennessy. That's right, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how I got it up there. I don't know how I'm going to get it out, but we going to get it. That's right. That's it. We got to get the funnel. We got to get the funnel. We got to get the funnel.
I'm not sure why I did that funnel. I might set this out.
AKA Ballin' in Portland. About to hit the studio with Dame. It's Barmelo's Anthony. For 3 minutes total playing time. If you see me a target higher than a hot air balloon doing dabs, nigga, approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal, dog. You know what I'm saying? Especially if I'm with my cubs, dog, because I got big paws. You know what I'm saying? I'll take your head off with one swipe. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your party after it's late. I might even be at the wrong address. But here's my friend, Mr. Fun Fun. Can I have the deposit up straight up front, please, now? Because I'm going to go sleep in the van. Take it away, Mr. Fun Fun.
Hey guys, Mr. Fun Fun. Just want to know, is there any leftover turkey for Thanksgiving? Huh? Any leftover children? I mean young turkeys.
Right this way, Mr. Fun Fun. Right this way, Mr. Fun Fun. Bye, guys. All right. Call us again, please. AKA, yo, I sold Fake Links, your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off fucking hand squeeze, Cascade pods, and some motherfucking, I think this is like a half a White Claw I found in the garage. Like, it was crumpled up. It's flat, but you gonna drink it.
It'll work.
You know what I'm saying? You got an album to make. Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? You know what thing it is right now, papi. Do you have SAP? Put it on. Do you have subtitle? Put it on. Do you have anything else that can translate for you? Put it on. It's going to help you. Or if you know Dominican people, tell them come inside the room so they can translate for you, papi, okay? You ready? Hasan, tírame los pitos, coño. Oye, que lo que. Llegó la gente de FIFA, coño. Es más loco todo. Tú sabes que lo que. Por ahí viene. Acaba de pasar San Gibi. Vamos a comer pernil y si yo tranco el baño es que voy a cingar. No cagando que estoy, papi. Shout out a la casa Showtime. Shout out a Kasha. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Hasan y Zen, coño, que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Justin Mercado, el papi más chulo de los chulos. You know what I'm saying? Ni te pueden enseñar la cara porque es demasiado chulo. You know what I'm saying? This is bueno, el más bueno in the house. You know what I'm saying? La nena de la bodega, Dai, que está presente aquí trabajando fuerte, y Victoria, que está en su casa consumiendo narcóticos. You know what I'm saying? Shout out mi presidente Pío. Secretario de Defensa, activo con el cañón, mi hermano. Avísame que lo suelto. Pronta libertad a mi hermano Freaky, a.k.a. Free Freaky, maniga. You heard, me quité, ya. Episode 181 con Saint Nicolas.
Ooh, what my man just said right now, that hot tostada.
Yeah.
They just said. Yo, you know, it was episode 181. Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to everyone that makes part of it. Hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving as you come up on this Christmas spirit now.
Wow.
Just want to tell you people, now's a great time to pickpocket people while they are shopping on 59th Street and 14th Street. Catch those suckers. They don't know better. Go in that back pocket, take their iPhone, find it.
All that shit.
I'm being told, do not say that.
Don't
do
say
not
that. Okay.
use to steal from other people. We are the Sushi Boys. We are no longer robbing people. We are no longer felonious.
We're good. We're below.
So you know
we're
what I'm
the
saying?
benevolent boys.
So buy a Bible and good
yes.
night. We're out.
Be blessed.